Hi guys, good morning. So இன்னைக்கான யுனிவர்சல் மெசேஜ் என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Law of Okay guys, let us see what is today's universal law. Today's universal law is law of divine flow. By living in the moment, centering ourselves in love and being in service to others as opposed to service to self, we live in it. We stay in the moment by moment, flowing of our higher self, creating actions which reflect love and best for all. Okay, so what they are coming to tell us, they are actually in this message they are telling, don't always live in the survival mode, surrender the survival mode, trust the universe, come to the creator mode. Okay, so this will all happen only self love is born. You shouldn't always keep on living in the fear of social conditioning. You should live only in the perspective of love, like whatever you want, your inner child wants, you have to choose that only out of love. Okay, not out of fear. So when you live a life out of love and compassion for your own selves, when you surrender all your wishes and deep desires to your higher self, okay, and that manifests in reality, you witness that your your inner child also witnesses that. Okay, so when your life itself goes with the divine flow and everything gets manifested, you allow for that divine flow. Okay, so your inner child is also happy, your higher self is also happy, your physical body brain is also happy, and your divine self is also happy. Okay, so and you also, when you happen to live in the self love, you are completely aligned. Okay, all the four parts, your inner child, your dreams, your physical body, your guidance, that is the higher self, your divine source within your divine self, all the four are aligned. Okay, and this moment to moment flow of guidance, and you taking action and bringing the inner child's wishes into reality and making the inner child experience the joy of living her dreams in reality, enjoying that. Okay, is the flow. So when you have practiced that, and when you have witnessed that, when you are keeping on living that, when you're confident about that, how it is happening, you can serve this society also, you can teach to the people in this society also. So you can teach them this divine flow also. This is what is law of divine flow is telling. Tomorrow let us meet in some other reading. Until then, bye.